Tips for better barbecue. If you are new to doing barbecue, chances are you have run into some problems when it comes to doing barbecue. Barbecuing, like anything else, takes practice. Learning from your mistakes, as well as the mistakes of others, will help you learn quickly. Before you begin cooking, spray your cooking area with a non-stick cooking spray. This will prevent your meat from sticking when you are rotating or removing it. If your meat sticks and breaks down, you will lose a large amount of juice, and your meat may dry out. Never place food on the grill until the temperature is correct. The fluctuation in temperatures will cause your food to dry out or burn. If you are using a charcoal grill, make sure that the coals are completely gray before putting the meat on the grill. This will allow the temperatures to level out, and the majority of the lighter fluid to burn off. Cooking with charcoal lighter fluid can be good or bad. The lighter fluid will cause the food you are cooking to taste different than with other types of grills. Alternatively, attempting to not use lighter fluid may cause a lot of frustration due to the fact that charcoal can be difficult if not impossible to light without lighter fluid. You must properly prepare the meat you are cooking before cooking it. You should never attempt to cook meat on a grill when it is still frozen, or even partially frozen. Thaw your meat by sitting it out about 12 to 24 hours before you plan on cooking it, or by thawing it in a microwave. If your meat is thawed, but in the refrigerator, set it out long enough for the meat to get to room temperature. Once meat is cooked, never put it back in on the same plate you had it on when it was raw. This could cause the spread of many unwanted illnesses. Do not handle cooked meat with the same utensils that you used when it was raw. Never poke your meat while it is cooking. Poking holes in meat will cause the juice inside to leak out into the bottom of the grill. Not only will this make your food dry and unappealing in the end, but it also could potentially ruin your barbecue grill. At the very least, it will cause a buildup of unwanted grease and juices on your grill, which will make cleanup harder. Once the meat is on the grill, try not to open the lid too many times. Each time you open the lid, you change the temperature in the grill. The constant change in temperature and the airflow will cause your meat to dry up quickly. Remember that the higher the heat is not always the better. While it is okay to quickly cook food, turning the heat up will just cause the meat to dry up and potentially burn. While using tin foil or aluminum foil will make cleaning easier, it will cause your food to have more of a fried taste than a grilled taste. If you are planning on using your favorite barbecue sauce, be sure to wait as long as possible to put it on the meat. Putting barbecue sauce on too early will not only potentially cause your meat to dry out, but it could also burn. This video has been made in Content Samurai. Click the link below to try this amazing video creator for free.